Sexual health is one of the most important, yet often overlooked aspects of overall wellness. Many people focus on cardio, strength, or weight loss, but neglect the specific exercises that directly enhance sexual vitality, stamina, and confidence. The truth is that sexual performance is not just about desire, it's about strength, endurance, flexibility, circulation, and hormonal balance. A strong, healthy body naturally leads to better sexual performance, improved pleasure, and greater confidence in intimate situations. Engaging in targeted bodyweight exercises is one of the most effective ways to improve sexual health. Unlike gym-based workouts or weightlifting routines, bodyweight exercises require no equipment and can be performed anywhere at home, in a hotel room, or even outdoors. These exercises strengthen the core, glutes, legs, and pelvic floor, all of which are essential for sexual performance. Moreover, they improve blood flow, regulate hormones such as testosterone, and reduce stress levels, which are often major contributors to sexual dysfunction. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the top 7 bodyweight exercises that can dramatically improve sexual health. For each exercise, we will provide step-by-step instructions, discuss the benefits for sexual performance, and give expert tips to maximize results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, incorporating these exercises into your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in stamina, control, and satisfaction. By the end of this guide, you'll not only understand how to perform each exercise correctly, but also how they contribute to a healthier, more active sexual life. Let's dive into the first exercise, the squat. 1. Squats, the foundation for strength and stamina. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises for building lower body strength. They target the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip flexors, all of which play a crucial role in sexual activity. Strong legs and hips allow for better movement, more stamina, and greater endurance in intimate positions. How to perform squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Engage your core and keep your chest upright. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting into an invisible chair. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as far as your mobility allows. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Benefits for sexual health. Enhances glute and leg strength for more power during sexual activity. Improves blood circulation to the pelvic region, increasing arousal. Boosts endurance for longer sessions. It improves posture and spinal alignment, supporting better positioning. It's for maximum effectiveness. Focus on slow, controlled movements rather than speed. Incorporate pulse squats at the bottom for added intensity. Pair with deep breathing to activate the pelvic floor muscles. Adding squats to your daily routine lays the foundation for a strong lower body, which translates directly into improved sexual performance. 2. Lunges. Enhance balance and core stability. Lunges are another essential exercise for sexual health. They strengthen the legs and hips while improving balance and coordination. Since sexual activity often requires dynamic movements and stability in different positions, lunges can significantly enhance your control and endurance. How to perform lunges. Stand upright with feet hip-width apart. Step forward with your right leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Keep your front knee above the ankle and your back knee just above the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite leg. Benefits for sexual health. Strengthens hip flexors, glutes, and quadriceps for better mobility. Improves balance and coordination, essential for dynamic sexual positions. Enhances pelvic stability for more control and stamina. Tips. Perform slow, controlled reps for maximum muscle engagement. Add a torso twist at the bottom to engage your obliques and core. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Lunges, when performed consistently, help maintain strong, flexible hips and legs, essential for sexual agility and stamina. 3. Planks. Build core strength and endurance. A strong core is vital for sexual health. It supports posture, allows better control of movements, and increases endurance. Planks are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for developing core stability, which translates into improved sexual performance. How to perform a standard plank. Lie face down and lift your body onto your forearms and toes. Keep elbows directly under shoulders and maintain a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and glutes, avoiding sagging hips. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, gradually increasing duration over time. Benefits for sexual health. Strengthens core muscles for better stability during sexual activity. Supports pelvic muscles, enhancing performance and control. Reduces lower back pain, making sexual positions more comfortable. Variations to intensify. Side plank. Targets obliques and deep core muscles. Plank with leg lifts. Engages glutes and lower body muscles. Plank to push-up. Combines upper body and core strength. A strong core allows you to maintain control and endurance, making every movement more powerful and precise. For glute bridges, activate the pelvic floor. Glute bridges are excellent for strengthening the glutes, hamstrings, and pelvic floor. A strong pelvic floor improves sexual function, erectile performance, and orgasm intensity. How to perform glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Lower your hips slowly to the floor. Benefits for sexual health. Strengthens glutes and hamstrings for improved thrusting power. Activates pelvic floor muscles for greater control. Enhances blood circulation to the pelvic region. Tips. Try single-leg glute bridges to increase intensity. Focus on slow, controlled movements and maximum glute contraction. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Glute bridges strengthen the muscles that directly impact sexual stamina and control, making them a must-have exercise. 5. Push-ups. Upper body strength and endurance. Push-ups are often overlooked for sexual health, but they strengthen the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, all of which are crucial for sexual performance. How to perform push-ups. Start in a high plank, with hands shouldered width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your core tight and back flat. Push through your palms to return to the starting position. Benefits for sexual health. Strengthens chest, shoulders, and arms for better support during sexual activity. Engages the core for stability and control. Improves endurance for longer sessions. Variations. Diamond push-ups. Focus on triceps for stronger arm endurance. Klein push-ups. Easier variation for beginners. Klein push-ups. Increases difficulty in shoulder engagement. Push-ups help improve upper body strength and endurance, directly enhancing sexual performance and stamina. 6. Leg raises. Strengthen lower abs and pelvic floor. Leg raises target the lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors, which are crucial for sexual function. A strong lower core improves pelvic stability and control during sexual activity. How to perform leg raises. Lie flat on your back with legs straight and hands under your glutes. Lift your legs toward the ceiling until perpendicular to the floor. Slowly lower them without touching the ground. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps. Benefits for sexual health. Strengthens lower abs and pelvic floor muscles. Improves hip flexor strength for better control. Enhances core stability and posture. Tips. Avoid arching your lower back. Perform slow, controlled reps. Add ankle weights as you progress. Leg raises build the foundation for better pelvic control and stability, translating into more satisfying sexual experiences. 7. Kegel exercises. Target the pelvic floor directly. Kegel exercises are specifically designed to strengthen the pelvic floor. Both men and women can benefit from stronger pelvic muscles, which improve control, endurance, and orgasm intensity. How to perform Kegel exercises. Identify pelvic floor muscles by stopping urination midstream. Contract these muscles and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax for the same duration. Repeat 10 to 15 reps 3 times daily. Benefits for sexual health. Increases pelvic floor strength for better control. Improves erectile function in men and orgasm intensity in women. Enhances bladder control and overall pelvic health. Focus on isolating pelvic muscles. Avoid tensing glutes or thighs. Gradually increase hold time as your strength improves. Combine with deep breathing for maximum benefit. Kegel exercises are simple, yet incredibly effective for improving sexual control, stamina, and pleasure. Sexual health is a reflection of your overall wellness. By incorporating these 7 bodyweight exercises, squats, lunges, planks, glute bridges, push-ups, leg raises, and Kegels into your routine, you can strengthen your body, boost stamina, and enhance your sexual performance naturally. Consistency is key. Start with manageable sets and reps, and gradually increase intensity. Pair your exercises with a healthy diet, adequate sleep, and stress management to maximize results. Remember, even 20 to 30 minutes a day can lead to noticeable improvements in performance, confidence, and overall satisfaction. If you enjoyed this guide and want more tips on fitness, sexual health, and overall wellness, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below with your favorite exercise. And don't forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from stronger sexual health and vitality. Take action today. Commit to these exercises, stay consistent, and watch your sexual health and confidence transform naturally and powerfully.